Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Oliver again. So I know you're practicing comparing numbers today, so I wanted to go over a couple of things. I know you have a game that you can play on ABC Yeah, and you can also watch this video and we can go over some things around comparing numbers. So let's remember a couple of things before we start. We have three important symbols that we need to remember when comparing our numbers, and they are these three symbols here. 1, 2, and 3. Do you remember what these symbols are? Let's go over them. So when my symbol like this is facing this way, remember you can add your little alligator teeth in here to help you. This first one means less than. And another way to help you remember is it kind of almost looks like a little L for less than. So this is for less than. This means greater than. And this means equal to. So less than looks like a little L, greater than, and equal to. So I'm going to give you a few numbers and a few pictures, and we're going to practice using these to figure out if our number is less than, greater than, or equal to. All right, you ready to play? Okay, here we go. I'm going to switch my marker because that one's not very good. And let's try this. We're going to start with some numbers first, and then we'll do some pictures. Okay. All right. So I have two numbers on my board. My first number is the number 4. Good job. My second number is the number 7. And here in the middle, I need to write one of those symbols. I'll write them up here so we don't forget. I need to decide, is it less than, greater than, or equal to? So is 4 less than 7? Is 4 greater than 7? Or is 4 equal to 7? Take a minute and think. Which one should go here? I'm going to do this one because I know that 4 is less than 7. And if I add my alligator teeth to help me remember, I always remember that the alligator eats the bigger number. So it's facing the 7, that one's bigger, greater, and it's going to eat that 7. So 4 is less than 7. All right, great job with that one. Let's try another one. You ready? How about this one? Look at my two numbers. This is a 8 and this is a 6. Whoops, now we're going to decide what goes in the middle. Less than, greater than, or equal to. 8 is less than 6. 8 is greater than 6, or 8 is equal to 6. What do you think? 8. If you were thinking greater than, then you're right, because 8 is greater or bigger than 6. So I can draw my little alligator teeth in, and remember again, the alligator is eating the bigger number. So in this case, the bigger number is this way, so the alligator is going to eat the 8. But we read it as 8 is greater than 6. All right, let's try another one with numbers, and then we'll do a few with pictures. All right, let's try this one. You should be able to get this one really quickly. What number do you see? 4 and 4. So, is it going to be less than? Is 4 less than 4? Is 4 greater than 4? Or is 4 equal to 4? If you were thinking 4 is equal to 4, then you're right. They're the same number. They're equal. All right, I think you're ready for a couple pictures before we stop. Let's try this one. So now you're going to have to use your eyes on the screen, and you're going to have to do some counting. Are you ready? All right. So I drew a little picture here. Let's count and see what is greater or less than or equal to. How many do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 dots here and 2 dots there. So is 6 less than 2? Is 6 greater than 2? Or is 6 equal to 2? What do you think? I can write it down here to help me remember if I need to. But I know that 6 is greater than 2. Here's my teeth again. I can remember that it faces the bigger number and it's going to eat the bigger number. 6 is greater than 2. Good job. Let's do 2 more of these. You guys are on a roll. All right, ready? See if I can trick you on this one. All right, get ready to count. Here we go. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 and 8. Is 4 less than 8? Is 4 greater than 8? Or is 4 equal to 8? Think again. 4 and 8. 4 is less than 8. It's smaller than 8. Draw in my teeth to help me remember. It's going to eat the bigger number, so the teeth are facing, the open mouth is facing the bigger number. 4 is less than 8. All right, one more. Here we go. Let's see if I can get you on this one. I need to remember my eraser next time. All right, you ready? Okay, count these with your eyes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think? Is 6 less than 6? Is 6 greater than 6? Or is 6 equal to 6? You got it. 6 is equal to 6. They are the same number, so they are equal. All right. Well, thank you so much for playing along with me. Hopefully, you learned a little bit about comparing numbers, and now you can go and play your ABC Yeah comparing numbers game if you haven't already played. All right. Thank you, guys. See you soon.